Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you all guys a very important steps which you must do if you're starting out a new YouTube channel. Well, this is something which none of the YouTubers have ever told you before, and as you guys, I don't know if you guys know, but me myself, this channel is a pretty new channel. I started this channel before just 3 months, and now I have actually monetized my channel. Well, it was not a very easy journey. I At the beginning there was none of them to help me, but you people have me. So well, this video is actually going to be among my YouTube playlist. That is going to be YouTube channel tips, proven strategies for success. And in this, I have already posted a video showing guys how to find trending topics on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to balance your YouTube schedule. That is one of the most important stuffs in YouTube. If you're not going to balance your schedule, then definitely your YouTube channel is not going to grow and it's going to become stagnant and it's going to die. You're not going to receive any views, you're not going to, able to gain subscribers or anything. But if you just follow the YouTube schedules, upload schedules in the YouTube, then obviously no matter what genre your content is, your channel is going to become successful. If you're not going to follow this, then it is it just has 10% of success rate that one of your videos may get viral and you may become successful, but 90% of channels are going to fail without following these steps. So guys, watch this video until the end. This video is definitely going to help you guys. Okay, so guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on subscribe button, the bell button near the subscribe button in order to receive daily updates from my channel. And guys, like I told before, I have recently monetized my channel, so you would find a join button near the subscribe button. So click on the join button. There are actually 3 plans. Join the plan which is going to be useful to you. No matter what plan you join, I'm going to help you in all the things you do. Even the cheapest plan, which just costs 89 rupees a month. If I should say it in dollars, it just costs $1 a month. So if you just pay $1 a month, I'm going to personally help you grow your YouTube channel. I'm going to personally, help you balance your upload schedule. I'm going to personally help you monetize your channel. So guys, just go click on the join button and join any plan. You can just try it out by joining a month. If you do not like it, you can just leave the membership, but I guarantee you that you're going to definitely enjoy joining. Now guys, moving on to the video. For this video, there is an amazing PPT with me which I'm going to show you, and I'm going to take my own channel as an example, and I'm going to show you guys all the contents and videos posted in my channel and which comes under which category and how did I finally learn to balance my schedule and everything. So first of all, the first slide says that schedules are not one size fits all. It depends on the goals, content and audience. For example, my channel is a technical channel, so my goals and stuffs may be different from an entertainment channel. So my upload schedule is going to be different from them. I am trying to post videos, at least 6 videos a week. An entertainment channel may post 1 or 2 videos a week. So it varies, right? There are actually 3 types of content in any YouTube channel. Those are hub, help and hero. Just remember hub, help and hero. What are these 3? Well, I'm going to explain everything in this video. So just wait and watch this video until the end. Now, if we take about hubs are those videos which are familiar and keeps viewers coming back. Frequent videos and easy to produce. For example, in my channel, the comparison videos which you can see above here, which is just moving right, those are the hub videos. Those videos are familiar and keeps viewers coming back, and it's also easier for me to make. For example, the virtual number comparisons and the virtual number reviews are my hub videos. I can easily reproduce them and I can post more videos and more of content, and it makes user to keep coming back. If I am going to post a comparison videos, then users are going to watch it in comparison and obviously going to watch a review about the winning application. So that is what keeps viewers coming back to me, and if there are any errors in the applications, then users are also going to come back to my channel for the sign up errors or any error fixing stuffs. So those are the hub videos. It will Overall, for example, in my channel, in my upload schedule, I am trying to post at least 6 videos a week. I mean, my aim is to post 7 videos a week, but it's not possible for me. But yes, nowadays I am trying to post 7 videos a week, and out of 7 videos, my ideas is to post 4 hub videos a week. Okay, so those 4 hub videos are going to be posted in other days other than the help and the hero videos. So there is going to be 4 hub videos, either 2 help or 1 hero videos, or 2 hero videos or 1 help video. So this is my upload schedule for a week. By following this schedule, I can guarantee you that you can monetize your channel within 3 months. So if you're starting a new channel this year, well, it's 2024, and if you're starting a new channel this year, let's say you're starting a channel on January 1st, I can guarantee you that by April 1st, your channel is going to get monetized. Okay. Now let us go and see what are the help and what are the hero videos. Help are the evergreen videos to common searches. It could be posted once in a while, but it never gets old. Those are the sign up problems in my channel. In my channel, if you don't know about my channel, it is a technical channel, and I help you people solve the technical problems which you are going to face in the technical world. So the error solving videos are going to be my help videos. I'm going to help you guys solve an error which is going to uh, stay active. I mean, the errors are going to just keep appearing for all the new persons who are using the applications, and they are going to come back to my channel, watch those videos, and even if they find any more new errors arising, then they're going to just keep on coming back to my channel and watch the videos and get their problems solved. Those are the help videos. I'm planning to post my help videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay, so that is going to help me balance my schedule. So remember, Tuesdays and Thursdays are going to be my help videos for me. It may vary differently for you, as the most peak time for me to upload my videos in my channel are going to be Friday at 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. So if I'm planning out correctly, I'm going to post going to post help videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Now the hero videos. These videos contain popular topics with big appeal. Those videos are rare and well planned. For example, the top 10 best alternative apps for TextNote 2023. It is a hero video which everyone expects, right? TextNow is a popular topic, and the top 10 best alternative applications of my own, I have personally used and tried out all these applications, and I posted this video. It's going to have a big appeal, obviously. So that videos, I'm going to post the hero videos on Friday. It may change actually. I may post 2 hero videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays and a help video on Friday, or I'm going to post 2 help videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays and 1 hero video on Friday, and vice versa. But there is very important thing that you must remember. Always, if you're starting out a new channel, try to be consistent. At least 2 videos a week is very important to grow any YouTube channel. If you're not going to post 2 videos a week, then YouTube is going to, flag your channel as an inconsistent channel, and it's not going to show your content to various kinds of audience. If you guys have not yet heard of this, YouTube actually tries showing your content to various new people. So the more the videos you post, the more the chances of you going viral that is. In my channel, I am posting my videos daily sharply at 7 p.m. so that the users can keep coming back at after 7 to watch a new video. Like I told before, balancing the upload schedule. That is what is given in this slide. Well, balancing these times to find a sustainable schedule is very important and necessary. It is not necessary for you to post a video daily. This is just, I am a tech channel, and no matter how much videos I post, my videos are not going to get that viral. It's because I am reviewing or comparing or solving the errors of specific videos. I'm actually solving the errors of your questions. Whenever you guys, a member of my channel, asks something as a doubt, I would upload a video to help him solve a problem. So those videos are not going to get viral. Even if it goes viral, the maximum views I could get is going to be 100k. The entertainment channels, on the other hand, could easily get a million views. So they could post 2 videos a week. That is more than enough for them. But for a tech channel, it's going to be necessary for you to at least post 5 videos a week. And even if you're an education channel, it's going to be necessary for you to post 5 videos a week. Well, tech comes under education, so it's the same. Now, if you are already having a channel and you have posted about 10 videos or something, you need to think about which types you're already making. If you're going to make a new video, then you need to know what among the three, hub, help or hero, which among the three there's a video come into. For example, text now versus text plus, the third video over here is a hub hero. I mean, it is a hub video for me. Meanwhile, how to get virtual number for WhatsApp is going to be uh, I mean, excuse me, what's a virtual number error fix? The error fixing video is going to be a helping video, and how to get a virtual number for WhatsApp free may also be a help video or a hero video. It depends on how the video grows or goes into. Now, there are 3 important steps which you would need to consider when planning a schedule. This is what I have already told you beforehand, but if I'm going to again give you out the actual definition, balance effort and frequency. Find a balance that lets you stay consistent. That is, I am able to make 5 videos or 6 videos a week. So, I mean, when starting out my channel, it was hard for me to. At a few times, I became very inconsistent. I did not post videos for like 2 weeks consistent, and when again I started posting videos, it was very hard for me and my channel to grow back to the old level we had. It was not long back, it was in the last month. Now right now it's December 28th, and actually at the November month I was unable to post videos for 2 weeks, which made my channel reduce the views. I lost my consistency, and even when I started posting new videos, my new videos did not get that high of reach. And after a lot of hard work and after balancing my schedule, after following every tips and tricks, and after going through what are the trending topics in YouTube, I was finally able to bring back my channel to life. Right now, it is still a new channel for me. None of my videos have become viral, but still I am able to, receive like on an average, I am able to receive 3,970 views for the past 48 hours. Well, it's not much, I know, but still for a new channel like me, and especially for a technical education channel, it is something great, I guess. I am getting 80 views on the past 60 minutes. Well, for top channels who get thousands and thousands of views per minute, it may mean nothing, but again, it means something to me. Now, moving back to the second point, let your audience know. Tell them about the big changes like uploading more or less. You're going to be inconsistent. Let's say you're going to reduce your video count, you're going to change your upload schedule, then just let your audience know. Post a separate video, or in the next video, just inform them briefly that you're going to change your upload schedule, you're going to change your balance, etc. Keep experimenting. That is a final and most important step. Try different schedules and track the outcomes that you care about. Try different topics, try different times, and find and experiment on your channel and get to know which time is the best for you. If you're starting out a new channel, you have 3 months time to experiment. After 3 months only, our channel is going to get a bit of reach. So those 3 months is going to be our experimental period. In the experimental period, try everything, all the stuffs, everything. It's not going to be bad even if your channel gets banned or something. It's just you can find which errors are actually happening and you can actually solve it, right? So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, then just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and like I told before, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button, and do not forget to click on the join button and make out a look for the perks which you get for becoming a member for just $1 a month. So guys, before quitting this video, just go take a look at the description and the comment section. I will pin a comment which is going to contain a lot of helpful information for you. So please, before quitting this video, please go take a look at the comment section. And once again, thanks for watching my video, guys. Until then, it's me, Surya Prakash, signing off. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.